Hey, how's it going, my friend? Eric Ellis Jr. with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you an email marketing hack that will allow you to literally write emails in under 1 minute. Stay freaking tuned.
Oh, the habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys an email marketing hack that was taught to me by a 7-figure digital marketer. And this hack is specifically for a few people, right? Whether you're brand new to email marketing and you don't know how to write emails, or number two, if let's just say you are short on time or you have an extremely busy day, this is going to save you hours of time or minutes of your time to where you can go ahead and get an email sent out to your list, because consistency is everything, right? And it's called email swipes. Now, what is an email swipe? I want to go ahead and read a quote to you guys, right? Pablo Picasso Steel quotes. So basically, one of the most famous quotes ever is by Pablo Picasso. He's one of the most famous not authors, one of the most painters ever. And his famous quote is, "Good artists copy, great artists steal," right? Now, guys, take it for what it is. Some people might be like, "Oh my God, that's not original." And then people who value their time, effort, and energy, and I know successful digital marketers who do this all the freaking time, right? What they do is, I have a Rolodex of email list that I'm currently on of people in my space. Now, what I mean by that is I'm in the Make Money Online space. So what I do, I opt into the list of people who are in the Make Money Online list. Now, there's a couple of things, right? Number one is you want to make sure that you're opting into people's lists who are actually getting results within their business. And number two, if they are getting results within their business, that means they know what they're doing within their email marketing, right? So what I'm going to do to save so much time, right, is create a message in my Aweber account. Now, if you notice, I have 3 already pre-scheduled. And the way that I do my email marketing is I do 2 value and then I do 1 pitch, right? Now, let's just say I'm pressed for time today. I'm like, holy crap, I don't have time to write a freaking email. But what I can do is go to my my Gmail account, and I simply have a couple of a couple of emails that have been sent to me that are starred, right? What I'm going to do is simply open one of them up, right? So it says, read today if you're still unsuccessfully chasing the laptop lifestyle, right? So I've already read this, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to swipe the email copy. Now what that means is I'm going to go and simply swipe the headline and put it in my Word. So boom, read today if you're still unsuccessfully chasing the laptop lifestyle. So guys, remember, I did not write this email, right? So what does laptop lifestyle mean to you? For me, it is when I wake up, slide into my slippers, go downstairs, and fire up my... So I'm going to change this up a little bit, right? So I'm going to model this to my actual life. So for me, this is when I wake up, slide into my slippers, go downstairs, and fire up my laptop while... Let me see. So instead of the Nespresso machine, I don't drink coffee. While, what's one thing that I do in the morning? While my right after I've completed my morning rituals. Boom. And then I check my earnings reports and nod my head as the numbers appear on my screen saying I made $500 since last night, which I do have those type of days, so I'm going to go ahead and keep that. Do I have to work for these 25? So I'm going to say, instead of these, I'm going to say this. 2,500. Nope. Are there clients I need to talk to? Nope, unless I want to. Is there No idea what that is, but I'll keep it. So instead of Igor, obviously you don't want to have the wrong person. So I'm going to say, okay, Eric, but this is a dream, right? I mean, this stuff is out of a fairy tale. 9 out of 10 times, or excuse me, 9 out of 10 times, it's a fairy tale. So we're going to actually fix the grammar. Fairy tale. But there's one exception. Believe it or not, I happen to know a guy who has figured out how to make completely passive income. He makes 7 figures, works 10 hours per week, takes 4 vacations a year, and 4 vacations a year. So I'm going to actually optimize this for my affiliate marketing VSL, right? So whatever you're promoting, right? 4 vacations a year, and lives a life of complete time and location freedom. Would you like him to reveal his secret? So what I want to do is, you always want to make sure that you unlink. Hold on, or actually insert hyperlink. We're going to remove links, so I definitely don't want to be sending them to his offer. Then this free training, what we're going to do is links, boom, hyperlink, remove link. So what I like to do is I like to bold free training. So there's 2 call to actions within this email. And guys, remember, I did not write this email, and this literally has taken me like 3 minutes instead of, and sincerely. So I have my specific call to action, your friend and mentor. Eric Ellis Jr. P.S. Would you like him to boom, and then I like to bold my call to actions. All right, so that's simple, guys. Now let's go ahead and swipe this damn email. So guys, look, I did not write this email. Here's the email marketing hack, guys, that all the 6- and 7-figure digital entrepreneurs do not want you to know. And they are too proud and bold to teach you this or tell you that they're even doing this, but they're all freaking doing it. And how do I know this? Because I learned this from somebody who is a 7-figure digital entrepreneur. So that being said, instead of reinventing the wheel, right, do what works. So, boom, I have an email created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go to my links. And I didn't write this email, I just edited it. Now, it's taking me a little bit longer because I'm actually explaining what's happening, but literally this would take me 2 minutes of my time, which would usually take 20 to 30 minutes of my time, and I already have an email. So, and then what I'm going to do, what he didn't do, is with my pitch emails, I like to always have a call to action in the beginning. So I'm just going to link Laptop Lifestyle to my video sales letter. Now, guys, what this is good for is if you don't know how to write email marketing copy, you can opt into people's lists who are in your space. And what you can do is you can go ahead and start leveraging their emails and kind of modeling it to yourself or your lifestyle. And then as you continue to do this, you're going to continue to read, and model it yourself to where this is how I actually learned how to do email marketing, right? Because I kept on reading other people's emails who were successful within my space. So it doesn't matter what your niche is, guys, right? So modeling successful people within my space. And then once I got comfortable, then I started writing my own emails. And from time to time, for the most part, I usually write all my emails, but from time to time, I actually, when I'm freaking pressed for time, but I need to make sure I need to get my list emailed, what I do is I simply swipe emails. And as stated before, Pablo Picasso said it best, good artists copy, great artists steal. There's no shame in my damn game. At the end of the day, it's just like funnel hackers. If you know Russell Brunson's ClickFunnels, it's called funnel hacking. It's called modeling. Yes, I modeled what he did, and yeah, it's called swiping. It's email marketing. You're swiping people's copy, modeling it for yourself, It's going to teach you how to do email marketing. And then once you learn, you can do it yourself. And then if you're a good email marketer, most likely people are going to swipe your fucking content. So with that being said, guys, that's an email marketing hack that you guys can apply to your business to teach you guys about email marketing, to teach you how to write email copy. And the best way is opting into the list and getting on email lists of successful email marketers or digital marketers or affiliate marketers. And then once you get on their list, from time to time, there's going to start being some really good emails. And then what you want to do is just create a Rolodex of all these freaking emails and just have them to the side in your little honey pot, to where if you ever need them, you just pull it up really quick. And instead of taking 30 minutes to an hour, like at first, when I first started email marketing, literally takes you 3 freaking minutes.
So if you guys enjoyed that, make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to join the family and give me a thumbs up to show your boys some love. Now, I do have a free gift for you. There's an ebook. You can go to the link in the description, or you can go to affiliatesplaybook.com. That will literally show you how to actually use email marketing to follow up and create a passive income online with something called affiliate marketing, right? That's what I do to actually generate a full-time income online. And number 2, if you're in digital marketing, internet marketing, online marketing, right, you can either go to ericellisjr.com, or down below in the description, there is a ridiculous amount of tools and resources that I actually use to crush it in my online business. So with that being said, my friend, make sure to subscribe one more freaking time so that way you can go ahead and get access to my daily uploads and hit that notification bell, because if you don't hit it, you're really not subscribed, right? Now with that being said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Eric Ellis Jr., as always, checking out.